Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles, they're heroes in a half shell, but how do we get rid of them? Let's make a Shredder helmet, come on!
Let's make stuff! Come on, grab all this stuff, and also the template, link down below. We trace it out, we flip it over, we trace it out again, we do the same with the side piece, flip it, then we cut out all 4 pieces. You should have 2 pieces like this and 2 pieces like that. We're gonna heat them and bend them with a heat gun. Then we're gonna heat them and bend them and bend them and heat them. And once we've done that, we're gonna glue these little bad boys together. A little bit of contact adhesive on each side. Use those little markers all the way up, all the way down. Glue them together. Same with the side pieces. Do this little bit first, so it's nice and round. Then slap on some contact adhesive on one bit, slap on some contact adhesive on the other side, wait till it's tacky, and slap them together. You got yourself a skull cap, you got yourself a cap there, a little cap, which is the start of your Shredder helmet. Congratulations. Now if it's too big, or if you're not happy with the lines, what you can do is get some clear tape, make a nice even line all the way around, use that as a guide, and just cut off any excess you've got. Cut it off. Throw it away. It's not your problem anymore. Okay, so now we're on to the mask. We're going to cut that at a 45-degree angle, that line there, and then we're going to glue them together. Because that's what we do on this channel. We trace it, we flip it, we trace it, and we flip it, and then we cut those bad boys out. See that line? You're going to cut that at an inward 45-degree angle. You see that line there? You're going to cut that at a 45 inward degree angle. You see that line? Outward 45-degree angle. This one? Inward 45-degree angle. You're going to cut this little line here at an inward, and that line at the bottom there, outward 45-degree angle. It's going to look like this if you've done it correctly. Okay, so clean them up. Clean up your pieces. Clean up your parts and pieces. You only got 4. Once you're happy with the way they look, we're going to glue these 2 pieces together first, starting from the bottom. Work your way up. Nice and easy, nice and easy. Now we're going to work on the 2 other pieces in this crown piece. Middles, and then all the way to the edge. Don't rush it. Don't rush it. This is in fast forward. You take your time. And then we're going to clean it up. Give it a good old clean up with the Dremel. And now it's time to place that crown piece on the rest of the helmet. What I've done here is I've got a little wedge of foam, and I'm going to glue that right to the center front piece, and then pin the rest of the crown down. When I'm happy with the position of the crown piece, I'm going to trace it around. Nice trace a line. And that's going to show me where to put the glue. And it's going to show you where to put the glue. Then I'm going to glue it down one bit at a time. Side piece, other side piece. Now it's onto the back. We're at the back end of this video as well as the helmet. We're going to trace out 2 of these pieces. And then we're going to overlap them about, 2.8 or 1 inch down. And we're going to glue them together. Clean up any rough edges on the edges bits there, and then glue it to the rest of the helmet. And this is where the magic happens. This is where the magic happens. Boom. It's starting to look like a Shredder helmet. Yes, it is. What do we do now? You say, what do we do now? We're gonna give it not one. No, we're gonna give it 2 coats of black Plastidip. Bam! Look at that. It's even closer to looking like a Shredder helmet. What's left? Coat it in some silver paint. That's 2 coats. I think I might give it another one after this. Oh, what's left? Mask, you say? Sure thing. I actually made 2 sizes for the mask. I'm just hot gluing some elastic. There's a Velcro on there, and bam, it's time. Celebration time. Shredder mask and helmet. Thanks.
So there you go, your very own Shredder helmet. I hope you enjoyed the video. Be sure to leave a comment down below and give it a thumbs up. I love it when people give me a thumbs up. And I'll catch you next time. Thanks for watching. See ya.